Hi friends, welcome back to the Learning Points YouTube channel. Today we will learn about PHP global variables. First we need to know what is super global variable. In PHP there are some predefined variables which are always accessible from one page to another page, can access in different scope, can access from different functions. Suppose we have two files, one is file 1 and another is file 2. I want to send value from file 1 to file 2. Then we need to use super global variable. In PHP, there are generally 8 types of super global variable. That is $get, $post, $request, $server, $session, $cookies, $file, and $env. In this video, we will learn about $get, $post, and $request. In our upcoming video, we will discuss about other super global variable. So what is $get or $post? These two super global variables are generally used in any types of form. Suppose we have two pages. In one page we have from, let's say, name or email. Now I want to send that value to another page. This time we can use $get or $post. Let's take an example to make it more clear. Here I am taking two forms, from.php and fromaction.php. So I want to send value from from.php to fromaction.php. I am taking from, that is name and email, and the name of the field is name and the name of the email field is email. I have a submit button. Here is the output. I have run that from.php. The basic element of from is we have to first write the action. Action means when the submit button will enter, then this file will open. So from action.php, and we need to use the method, that means get or post. Here I am writing the get first. So if we run this program, and in fromaction.php I have taken the printer get, as I am sending the get method and accepting the get method, as the from's value will pass as an array to the another page. So to print array we have written the printer. So for decoration I have written echo pre, and I am ending the pre statement, that is pre. So if we run this program, then if we write in the name field learning points and email, I have written info at the rate learningpoints.in, and we submit this page, then the from action.php will call with the get methods. So I am submitting. So we can see the name, email, and submit. I am getting this value in from action.php and with an array format. The basic difference of get and post is very close. So as we send this request from get method, we can see all the value, that is name value, learning plus points plus means they are concatenating. Here my value is learning space points, and in URL that is concatenating, and the next field is email. With the AND operator the next value will print, and we can say the info the learningpoints.com, and I am getting the value of submit. Now I am changing my method get to post. Then if you run this program again, I am refreshing this page and I am trying to run this page again. So if you run, that is the same input for name learning points, and for email I am sending info at the learningpoints.in. Now if we submit this, we can get the value. So I have to do another things, that is in from action page we need to receive the post method, because I am sending the post value from here, and we need to print the post value from the action page. So if you run this, then we will get the value in array in same format just like get, but in URL there is all are hidden. So we can understand this post method is somehow safe, means if we send a parameter through the post method, we cannot see the value from URL. So now what is request? Request can be used in both case instead of get or post. Means instead of get or post, we can just use $request. $request will accept both the post and get method value. Now I am calling the same method in post, and I am writing here that is $request. So I am sending the method using post. So if you run this, then I am providing the same value learning points and the same mail, that is info at the learningpoints.in. So if we submit this, then as it is post, we cannot see the data in URL, but we can get all value using the $request functions. Same if we write the get method here and we run this program again, that is learning points, and I'm providing the email info at the learningpoints.in, then we'll get the same output and the value will display in the URL as it is the get method. So if we want to get just a single value, suppose I want to print learning points, then we need to print the value by their array keys. Echo $request, and in first inverted comma or second inverted comma we need to enter the name of the field, that is name. So if you refresh this page, we got the learning points again. So as it is associative array, we can print any single value using their key. Now we got idea about three super global variables, the get, post and request, and we got idea about how to get from value from one page to another page. Now we need to manipulate those data, or we need to insert those data into database. We will cover those in our upcoming video. In our PHP tutorial, first we learn about all the PHP topics. In our next video, we will discuss about PHP file inclusion. If you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel. Don't forget to comment if you have any doubts. Thank you.